Hi, I'm Jack from Jack and Ethan Productions, or the Pie Peoples, and I've just discovered this really cool app for iPods, touches, iPhones and iPads. It's called Sound Effects, and I just think that's really cool, and I thought that I'd make a video for you. So if I do something wrong in one of our shows, I can press this button. Or at the end of one of our videos. Or if I have a juicy piece of meat. Oh no, there's a fire. How should I tell everyone? If I've got some gas. Freaky laugh. Are we in a haunted house? Oh no, it's World War III. Or it might be a medieval war. Or it might be just a street brawl. Where's that one from? And you can do customized ones, such as this. Hello, my name is Jack, and Ethan and Jack Productions are awesome. So that's just been saved onto a custom sound effect. Hello, my name is Jack, and Ethan and Jack Productions are awesome. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and Jack and Ethan Productions out!